Right, in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to get the FC 2024 Euros update. So what you need to do is simply go to your PS5 and then go to FC24 and then press the options button on your controller, this button right here. That's the options button. Press it and from the menu, check for update. Now it's going to say an update for this game is available. So to check the download status, just go to downloads/uploads. And you can see there's an update going on. So let's just wait for it. And once the update is complete, you can now go ahead and launch the game. And there you go. So once it's done, you have to obviously read all this stuff. Title updates. Just go ahead and read that and then accept all this stuff. Accept. And then you should see in the main menu on the left there, UEFA EURO 2024. So let's go ahead and launch that for the first time. There is the Euro update. Now, for some reason, it doesn't seem to have sound, but let's just wait and see. So let's go ahead and select our favorite team. Let me see. Do I even have a favorite team? Let me see. England, France, Georgia, Germany, Italy, Netherlands, Poland, Portugal. I don't know. Let's go with Turkey. Turkey is going to be my favorite team. And there you go. So there is the UEFA Euro 2024 mode. And that's how to get it on FC24. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below and good luck.